Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to update audio driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to right click on your start menu, click on device manager over here. Now on this window you will see sound, video, game controllers. So you just need to expand that one, and here all your sound, video, game controllers driver. So right click on the device which you want to update. So right click and click on update driver. So here you will get two options. So browse from my computer for drivers. If you have already downloaded from the internet, then you can browse and then you can select your driver from here. Or else you can directly click on this option which is called search automatically for drivers. So make sure that your internet is connected. After that it will automatically detect and update your driver from the internet. So I'm already using latest version of this driver, so that is the reason it's showing like this. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.